Dear students, I am Mrs. Pratibha. So I'll be taking mathematics subject. The topic which I am going to deal is today is algebraic expressions and identities. So in the previous session, we have discussed about the four major algebraic identities. So based on those four major algebraic identities, we are going to simplify the algebraic expression. So that is the application of the algebraic identities, where in our real life situations we can use it. Also, in which mathematical problems can be solved using these algebraic identities. So we had learned four algebraic identities, which are those. So those are, first identity was a plus b the whole square, so which was a square plus 2ab plus b square was the first identity that we learned, and the second identity is a minus b the whole square, which is a square minus 2ab plus b square. And the third identity is a square minus b square, which was a minus b into a plus b. And the one more identity which we learned was x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus a into b. These are the four identities which we have learned in our previous session. Now, based on these identities, let us simplify some problem. So, algebraic expression. So, first one, simplify. So, what is to simplify? The first one is a. The question is a plus 2b the whole square. So, this is the algebraic expression given here. Now, which identity? So we have to simplify using one of these identities. So, which identity hold here? So, for that we need to see both the term. First, we need to see the sign and the power. We have to see the sign and the power. So, power is 2, and we have two terms are there separated by a addition sign. Two terms which is separated by a plus sign. Two terms separated by a plus sign, and there's a power 2. So, where do we have two terms separated by a plus sign and the power is 2? That is for the first identity. So, that means here we are using identity 1. Using a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square formula. We have to simplify this. Therefore, what do we get? A plus 2b the whole square will be a square as it is, a square plus 2 into a is what? A itself. B is 2b plus b square. B is for us 2b. So 2b the whole square. So what do you get? A square plus 4ab plus 4b square. So this is how we simplify using the identity. Next question. Next, if you have 2b, second one, 2a by 3 plus 3 the whole square. Now, which identity? Again, plus sign and power 2. So, here we have to use a plus b the whole square. So, using a plus b the whole square formula, so that gives you a square plus 2ab plus b square. So, this is the identity we are using. Therefore, 2a by 3 plus 3 the whole square will be, your a is what here now? A is 2a by 3. So, a square will be 2a by 3 the whole square plus b is 3. B is 3 for us. So, 2 into 2a by 3 into 3. B is 3 for us. Now, what is b? B is 3. B the whole square. So, that will be 4a square, 2 square, a square. 4a square divided by 9. When you take the whole square, the denominator square. For that also we have a square. So, this 3 and this 3 gets cancels plus 4a plus 9. So, this is the final answer after simplifying. 2a by 3 plus 3 the whole square. Let us solve a few other problems. So, next ABC, that is p square minus 2q square the whole square. So this is the question now. Now again look which identity. Two terms separated by a negative sign. Where we have two terms separated by a negative sign, here it is. And we have outside power 2. Inside we don't have power 2, but here it is 2 doesn't have power 2. Second term does not have power 2. So outside power 2, so this is the, we have to take this stuff. So this will be, so using second identity, using a minus b the whole square. So this a square minus 2ab plus b square is the identity. Therefore, p square minus 2q square the whole square is equal to a is p square, so p square the whole square minus, what is your b? B is 2q, so it will be 2q the whole square. 2q square the whole square. Yes. Now minus 2 into, what is your a? A is p. P is 2q square. So that will be equal to p to the power 4 minus 4pq square plus 4q to the power 4q square to the power 4 square is power 4. 4q to the power 4. So this is about another say how to use the second identity. We will solve one more problem. So we will solve B, that is p square plus q square into p square minus q square. So this is, here you can see we have two factors. Two factors are given. Which identity? Here also you have two factors. Here also we have two factors. So which identity? Here its power 2 is given. A and B are same. A and B are same. Only plus and minus sign is different. So that means we are using the third identity. Therefore, using a minus b into a plus b as equal to a square minus b square. You can write the any way, this to this or this to this. So anyway, you can write that's the identity. So you can take it any way. Therefore, what you have p square plus q square into p square minus q square. What is your a? A is b square. So p square the whole square minus what is your b? B is q square. So you will have q square the whole square. So that will be b to the power 4 minus q to the power 4. So this is your final answer. So otherwise what we have to do? We have to multiply monomial by monomial multiplication, which is quite lengthy compared to this. So instead of that, if you have an identity directly, you can get the answer. So we did one of the steps. Next, question number E. 4ab minus 3. 4ab plus. Now this one, which one you can use? Yes, obviously the third identity we can use here. So this is using the identity. A minus b into a plus beta. B is equal to a square minus b square. Using those two identities. Therefore, here 4ab minus 3 into 4ab plus 3 will be equal to 4. Your a is 4ab, the whole square, and your b is what? 3. So minus 3 the whole square. So it is 16 a square b square minus 9. So this is the final answer using the identity, third identity. Next. F. So that is a square plus 4 into a square minus 6. Now which identity we are supposed to use? Is it the third one? Just look. We have a plus b, a minus a square minus 6. A square plus 4, a square minus 6. We have two factors. Two factors are there with the two terms. But the second, in the both the factors, second terms are different. That's 4 and 6. So which identity it comes under the fourth identity. Therefore, using x plus a into x plus b form. Plus a into x plus b is x square plus a plus b into x plus ab into b. So therefore, a square plus 4 into a square minus 4 is equal to your x is here a square. So a square the whole square plus what is your a and b? A is 4, b is 6, minus 6. A is 4, b is minus 6. What is your x? X is a square plus 4 into minus 6. So we a to the power 4 minus 2a square 4 minus 6. Integer subtraction 4 minus 6 is minus 2. So minus 2a square minus integer multiplication 4 and 6 4s are 24. So this is the final answer. It is with the fourth identity. So when there is a slight difference between the third and fourth identity. In the third identity, here the second in both the factors, second term is same. In the fourth identity, both the factors, second term is different. In this factor and in this factor, second terms is different. Next, we will solve one more question G, that is minus 4x minus 7 to minus 4x plus 3. So these are the algebraic identities, algebraic expressions which we are simplifying using algebraic identities. So this will be again using x plus a into x plus b formula, that is x square plus a plus b into x plus a into b. Therefore, minus 4x minus 7 into minus 4x plus 3 will be equal to a. What is the value of a here? Just minus 4x the whole square plus a plus b. Here is a here minus 7. B is what? 3. X is what? Minus 4x plus minus 7 into 3. So this is 16x square plus here will be minus 4 into minus 4x minus 21 here. So that's equal to 16x square minus 16x minus 21. So this is the final answer for this. Now this is how we have simplifying the algebraic expressions using the algebraic identities. Now we will see how to simplify the numbers, large products of numbers using these identities. So using the number, first one, find the product. Okay, this is also simplified part 2, so it is 12 into 18. The number given is 12 into 18. Yes, you all know 12 is stable, so you can do 12 into 18. It's not a difficult task, but it is more, we will find a method which is more simple than that. So what we can do here, 12 into 18 can be written as, so this can be written as 20 minus 8, and this can be written as 20 20 minus 8 and 20 minus 2. Now out of this, which identity will it hold? Yes, this first term, 2 factors we have, that means it's between 3 and 4. In both the factors, second term is different. So it goes for which identity? Fourth identity. So which are using the identities? Using x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Now we will write here x is 20, a is what? A is here x plus a we have. So a will be minus 8, b will be minus 2. Therefore, 12 into 18 Okay, will not write directly. Therefore, 20 minus 8 into 20 minus 2 will be equal to, so this will be equal to what? So a square, 20 square plus, yes, now this will be a minus b. So minus 8 minus 2x is 20 plus minus 8 into minus 2. Here, so a and b, we are substituting. So this is 400 minus 10 into 20 plus 16. 8 into 2 is 16. So this will be 400 minus 200. 10 into 20 is 200 plus 16. So this will be 200 plus 16, that is 216. The final answer, 216. So you have to simplify this. I mean, you have to split the number into sum of or the difference of other numbers. So then you have to keep simplifying. Next one is question number B. 2.1 into 1.9. 2.1 into 1.9, next question. So how to do it? So this can be written as 2 plus 0.1 and 2 minus 0.1, right? 2 plus 0.1 and 2 minus 0.1. So which identity does it hold now? So is it the third or fourth identity? So it will be the third identity. A, B are same. So first term is same and the second term is also same. And plus and minus. So the third identity. So using a square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. We have what, therefore, what do we have here? Is therefore 2 plus 0.1 into 2 minus 0.1. Here what is a? A is 2. B is 0.1. A is 2. B is 0.1. So this will be a square. So that is 2 square minus 0.1 the whole square. So that will be 4 minus 0.01. So 4 minus 0.01 is 3.9. It's 4.08. So 3.99. 10 minus 1 is 9. 3.99. It's 9. So it is 3.99 is the answer. This is how we simplify. Next we see that is 10.5 the whole square. So 10.5 the whole square can be written as 10.10 plus 0.5 the whole square. 10.5 the whole square will be written as 10 plus 0.5 the whole square. So which identity here? Yes, of course, the highest identity. Using a plus b the whole square. So it will have a square plus 2ab plus b square. Right? Therefore, what you can write here, what is your a is 10, b is 0.5. Therefore, we can write it as 10 plus 0.5 the whole square will be equal to a square, that is 10 square plus 2 into 10 into 0.5 plus 0.5 the whole square. So we are substituting the value of a and b in the identity. So it is 100 plus 20 into, so 10 into 0.5 is 5. So it will 2 into 5 is 10 plus 0.5 to 0.5 is 0.25. So it is 110.25. Final answer. So otherwise the multiplication was difficult. Now we have made it easy. So in today's class we have learned in which and all situations we need to use these basic algebraic identities. So we have learned 4 identities and we have used those 4 identities here to solve to find the product or the power of 2, or like 10.5 the whole square, all those things. So if you keep practicing all this regularly, it is not difficult to get the identities, identify the identities, which identities to be used. Okay, that's all for today's session, and thank you.